My .22 LR rifles are quintessential tools for beginners and experienced shooters alike, offering affordability, low recoil, and versatile use. These rifles excel in target practice, small game hunting, and training new shooters. Renowned models like the Ruger 10.22 stand out for their reliability and extensive aftermarket support, allowing for customization to suit individual preferences. The Marlin Model 60, with its tubular magazine and classic design, is another favorite for its accuracy and ease of use. Lightweight and easy to handle, .22 LR rifles are perfect for honing shooting skills and enjoying a day at the range, embodying practicality and enjoyment in one package. Now let's get started. Number 8. Voodoo V22's Target Rifle redefines rimfire performance. This single-shot rifle boasts a patented action renowned for unmatched rigidity and consistency. Chambered for the .22 LR caliber, it delivers exceptional accuracy favored by bench rest competitors and target shooters alike. The Voodoo V22s features a state-of-the-art target stock for a comfortable and stable shooting position. A match-grade barrel ensures exceptional bullet stability and downrange performance. This rifle prioritizes customization with options for various triggers, grips, and sights, allowing shooters to tailor the Voodoo V22s to their specific preferences. With its sub-MOA accuracy potential and focus on precision engineering, the Voodoo V22's target rifle emerges as a top choice for serious rimfire enthusiasts seeking an unmatched competitive edge. Number 7. Ruger Precision Rimfire offers exceptional value without sacrificing accuracy. Chambered for the .22 LR caliber, this bolt-action rifle boasts an adjustable synthetic stock that caters to various shooting positions and body types. The quick fit system allows for easy length of pull and comb height adjustments for a comfortable fit. This Ruger rifle features a free-floated threaded barrel for enhanced accuracy and the potential for adding a suppressor. The Ruger Precision Rimfire prioritizes affordability with a smooth, two-stage, match-grade trigger that rivals more expensive options. A 15-round rotary magazine provides ample ammunition for competition or recreational shooting. With its focus on adjustability, affordability, and reliable performance, the Ruger Precision Rimfire is a compelling choice for target shooters and plinkers seeking an accurate and user-friendly rimfire rifle. Number 6. Henry Classic Lever Action .22 offers timeless design, exceptional handling, and remarkable affordability. Chambered for the versatile .22 long rifle, long and short cartridges, it caters to small game hunting, plinking, and firearms training. This American-made rifle features a classic octagonal blued barrel and a smooth lever action that's easy to operate for shooters of all experience levels. The attractive genuine American walnut stock offers a comfortable grip and timeless aesthetics. For improved sight picture and target acquisition, the Henry Classic boasts an adjustable rear sight and a hooded front sight. The tubular magazine holds an impressive 15 rounds of .22 long rifle, 17 rounds of long, or 21 rounds of short, eliminating the need for frequent reloading during plinking sessions or target practice. This reliable Henry lever action rifle bridges the gap between a semi-automatic and a bolt action, offering a fun and engaging shooting experience for budget-minded plinkers, hunters of small game, and those looking for a classic firearm to pass down through generations. Number 5. Ruger 10 Air .22 Takedown redefines the rimfire rifle experience. Chambered for the ever-reliable .22 long rifle cartridge, this rifle boasts a unique takedown design that disassembles into two highly packable components with the push of a button, making it ideal for backpackers, campers, and target shooters on the go. Despite its two-piece design, the Ruger 10-22 Takedown maintains exceptional accuracy with its legendary Ruger rotary magazine and a free-floated blued stainless steel barrel. The synthetic stock offers all-weather durability and a comfortable grip, while the receiver sight rail allows for the easy addition of optics for enhanced target acquisition. This versatile rimfire rifle prioritizes portability without sacrificing performance, making the Ruger 10-22 Takedown a compelling choice for outdoor enthusiasts, survivalists, and plinkers seeking a reliable and easy-to-store rimfire rifle for their adventures. Number 4. CZ 457 Series features a cold hammer forged barrel for exceptional consistency and a match-grade chamber for unparalleled bullet release. The heart of the CZ 457 is its adjustable trigger, allowing shooters to fine-tune the pull weight and brake for a crisp and personalized shooting experience. Safety features include a separate bolt removal mechanism and a bolt stop indicator, ensuring safe handling during loading and unloading. Depending on the chosen model, CZ 457 rifles boast various stock options, from classic wood to ergonomic synthetic designs, catering to different shooting styles and preferences. This CZ Rimfire series prioritizes exceptional accuracy, user comfort, and customizability, making it a compelling choice for target shooters, small game hunters, and plinkers seeking a reliable and endlessly customizable rimfire rifle. Number 3. Tikka T1X .22 LR, a lightweight yet rigid aluminum receiver for exceptional stability. The single-stage trigger is renowned for its crisp, clean break, allowing for precise shot placement. A hallmark feature is the Tikka T1X's unique crossover barrel profile, which offers the stability of a heavy barrel without sacrificing maneuverability. This design keeps the rifle well balanced for both competition and hunting scenarios. The Tikka T1X comes standard with a one-piece synthetic stock that provides a comfortable grip and integrates a handy bedding system for consistent barrel alignment. Available in various barrel lengths and with optional threaded muzzles for adding a suppressor, the Tikka T1X caters to diverse shooting preferences. This rimfire rifle from Tikka prioritizes exceptional accuracy, user comfort, and versatility, making it a compelling choice for target shooters, varmint hunters, and anyone seeking a premium rimfire experience. Number 2. Browning 22 Semi-Auto Rifle is a classic rimfire rifle trusted for generations. Chambered for the 22 long rifle and 22 short cartridges, it offers versatility for small game hunting, casual target shooting, and introducing new shooters to the sport. This American-made rifle features a sleek walnut stock with sharp checkering for a comfortable and attractive grip. The ingenious takedown design allows for disassembly into two parts: the barrel and forearm, and the receiver and buttstock, without requiring tools, making for easy transport and storage. Browning incorporates a reliable blowback action that cycles round smoothly, while the exposed hammer allows for easy visual confirmation of chamber status. Iron sights come standard, but the receiver also includes a dovetail rail for adding a scope for enhanced precision shooting. This iconic Browning rifle prioritizes user-friendliness, reliability, and timeless design, making the SA-22 a compelling choice for plinkers, hunters of small game, and those seeking a rimfire rifle to pass down through generations. Number 1. Henry AR-7 Survival Rifle. It offers a reliable option for small game hunting, securing food sources, and even self-defense in emergency situations. This unique rifle breaks down into two highly packable components: the stock and the barrel assembly, with a simple button release, making it ideal for backpackers, survivalists, and emergency preparedness kits. Despite its two-piece design, the Henry AR-7 maintains accuracy with a rifled barrel and a dependable semi-automatic action. The polymer stock offers all-weather durability and a comfortable grip, while the sights are basic but effective for close to medium-range shooting. This Henry rifle prioritizes portability and versatility, making it a compelling choice for survivalists, outdoor enthusiasts, and anyone seeking a compact and reliable rimfire rifle for emergency preparedness or wilderness adventures.